Everyday routines. Every morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6:10. I brush my teeth. Then, I go to the kitchen and I have my morning coffee. I make breakfast. I usually have a boiled egg and some toast. On the weekend, I have bacon and eggs. I usually read the news while eating breakfast. After I finish breakfast, I wash the dishes. Then, I take a shower. I shave, and I do my hair. I leave the house at 7:30. I usually take the train to work. It takes about 40 minutes. Occasionally, I drive to work. But I really dislike traffic. I arrive to work at around 8:10. I have lunch with my coworkers. We often go to a small family restaurant. It's really close to our office. It's very reasonable, and it has great food. I usually finish work at 6 o'clock, but sometimes I have to work overtime. I often go to the gym on my way home from work. I work out for about an hour. I arrive home at about 8 o'clock. I cook dinner. I usually listen to music while eating dinner. After dinner, I clean up. Then, I read for about an hour on the sofa. I watch TV for about 30 minutes to an hour. Then, I take a hot bath. I drink a cup of tea, and I go to bed around 11 o'clock.